window. Hey, shut your door! Shut your door! Shut your door!
Okay.
Shut the door!
What the fuck?
Signal 44. Hey, back in the car!
Huh?
What's happening right
Get back in the car!
Alright.
Turn the car off.
Turn the car off.
Step it up, please.
Alright. Turn the car off.
Sit back here.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Going home.
Okay, stand right here.
Okay.
Any weapons in the car?
No.
Okay. Keep your hand out of your pocket.
Okay.
Lean against your car.
Okay.
Okay. What's going on here? Why is she getting out?
Because we saw you following us and
Yeah.
we're like, okay.
It's a traffic stop. You don't get out of the car in a traffic stop.
What traffic stop?
Do you see the police lights?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just happened right
Yeah.
there.
It's called a traffic stop.
Okay. It just happened right there.
Driver side, the passenger jumped out on me. She's back in the car now. 10-12, the white male out of the vehicle. So, I'll explain why I'm stopping in a sec, but first I'm going to have a backup officer come. So,
Okay.
how much have you had to drink tonight?
A little bit.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. So,
Yeah.
a couple reasons I'm stopping you. One, while I've been behind you, you've left your lane multiple times. Just say it. Okay, while I've been behind you, you've left your lane multiple times, and you actually struck the curb at one point on Main Street. And then the stop sign back there, you stopped all the way past the stop bar, the white line on the ground, you have to stop behind it. Hey, shut your door. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Right.
Stay there. Hey, stay there. Sir. Sir. Stay back over there. Listen to me. Step over there.
Okay,
Stay in the car.
Okay, all I'm saying
Stay in the car.
all I'm saying
Go.
is,
Stay in the. Get back in the car.
are you
go
kidding
in
me
the
right
car.
now?
Stay back there. Hey,
I'm telling
Hey.
her to go in the
go.
car.
Stand over here.
Hey, we are right
Stand
there.
over here.
We are right there.
Get back in the car.
All right, it's
Get
fine.
back
I'm
in-
I'm going to talk
Get
to
back
the,
in the car.
All right, don't touch me.
Yeah.
Don't touch me.
Let
Don't
go. Let
fucking
go.
touch me. Don't touch me.
Let go.
Okay.
Don't
Hey.
touch me.
No, hey, stop. Stop.
Fighting 1-2, actually.
Hey, we are at
Stop.
home
Turn
right
around.
now.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
We are
Turn around.
okay. We are at home right now. I don't know what you are doing.
Face the car.
Okay.
I'm safe.
Get down on the ground right now.
Hey, babe, walk home. Walk
Hey,
home.
secure her right now.
No,
Bat Leo.
hey, babe, walk
Battery
home.
Leo.
No, babe, walk home. Babe, walk home.
Hey.
What are you doing right
Hey.
now? Yeah, what is
Face the
happening
car.
right now?
Face the car.
Hey, I'm not.
Face the car.
I am not doing anything right
Stop trying to pull away from me.
now. I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You keep walking away.
Hey,
Keep your hands behind your back.
believe me, I am Blue Lives Matter.
No, this is
Blue Lives
bullshit.
Matter. Come on.
Like, look at our license.
Hey, oh, what are you doing right now?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Seriously, what are you doing right
You
now?
guys, what's going on?
We are.
I am
all
relaxed.
for-
No, look at me. Look at my face. Look at our license plates.
Guys, we are all for cops.
Look at our license plate.
Step over here.
Look at our license
Step
plate.
over here.
We have Blue Lives Matter. Look at our license plate. Blue Lives Matter. Like, this is crazy. Like, what?
Face the car. I didn't turn around.
Okay.
Anything your pocket that you to do with it?
Yeah. I have nothing in my. Yeah.
Steady here, steady feet. Kevin,
Guys.
keep her out for a sec.
No. Hey. Hey. We are good people. We are good people. I'm telling you. Like, We are
Spread
not.
your feet.
Okay. We're good people.
No, but I have to go to. Why are you going to?
Yeah, she was a passenger, so
Did she
she.
slip out of her cuffs?
I am a passenger, so yeah.
Yeah, she's a passenger.
That doesn't matter. Okay.
Hey,
She struck me.
Hey, I am all for you, police officers. Yeah,
What's your name, boss?
Johnny Damon.
Okay, I was just trying to talk to you. She refused my orders to stay in the vehicle.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
And then when I grabbed her, because she was resisting, okay, she struck back at me.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah, she's a tough girl. She fights all the time. Yeah. Hey, babe. Yeah. Bro, I am like the cleanest guy ever. And yeah. I am not.
What do I need to do? Johnny, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Officer Heath. What do I need to do? Turn around, right here.
Alright.
And just sit. You see this push bar right here? You see this bar? Just sit down on it.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright.
There you go, just like that.
Alright. Hey, bro, what's going on?
I'll explain in a sec, okay?
No, I'm talking to our guard gate. Like, no, I'm the
Do you guys have cameras out here?
guy ever.
Do you guys have cameras out here?
Yeah, but you guys are too far back for it.
Alright, cool.
And I pay these guys.
Do they live in here?
I'm not a bad guy.
Ah.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah.
No.
Alright.
Hey, bro, I don't know what's going on.
Alright. Once we get one more officer here, I'm going to explain a little more what's going on. Okay. Is your ID in your wallet?
My.
Just say sitting there. I have your wallet.
Okay.
Just sit down for me.
Alright. I will.
Thank you.
Hey, bro, I'm a good fucking guy, and
Alright.
I know people are trying to target me because I'm a Trump supporter.
I don't think that has anything to do with it.
Yeah. It does.
Alright, well, that's neither here nor there right now. That's not why I'm stopping you. So.
Is we're on the fucking board. Like, Johnny Damon is on. Like, the whole time. Google it. You guys don't even know. Like,
So,
That's sorry. This.
where are you guys coming from tonight?
Oh, London House.
London House? What's
Yeah.
that?
It's a guy who had a lot of money to take care of taxes and all that stuff. So he's we're just having a good time there.
Alright. So, prior to her getting out and that whole struggle going on, okay, my concern is when I stopped you guys, okay, first off, you know, her getting out and stuff, completely,
She was crazy.
Either way.
My wife is crazy.
Either way. Okay, I want to get you guys, I want to get you home,
Yeah.
okay, but,
We have
Just listen to
200
me.
yards to our
absolutely. I understand. So, I understand you had a couple drinks. It's completely okay if you have some drinks and then drive, but it's, okay, my concern is you might be too impaired to drive.
Oh,
So,
I'm 200 yards away from my house.
Would you
and
be willing to do-
I understand.
would you be willing to do some field sobriety exercises to make sure?
I would be because
Okay.
I'm a big boy.
Alright.
And
I'll, once one more officer gets here,
I'm right. Like,
Alright, Johnny.
we are at
Johnny.
home.
what we're going to do is when one more officer gets here, I'll take those cuffs off, I'll walk through the exercises, and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
So just sit down.
Sound good. What's up, my brother?
Do you have an ID in the car?
Me?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess where my purse is.
Is it in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay.